I'm sure a lot of you are in a position where you have to buy Dogecoins for 45 cents, 40 cents, or even 30 cents. And you believe that the price is reasonable at the moment. Finally, the coins have fallen to 27 to 25 cents, and you are in a panic. And he said, "Guys, I guess I got overpaid for those coins. And I'm at a loss about what to do. I'm not sure what I can do right now. So well, here is my take for you, guy. Because I know how you feel. Because I've been there, is a point of time, I feel the same thing that you are felt. I might feel a little bit like I'm overpay. Let me share with you a quick story. It just happened like 2 to 3 months ago. I remembers 2-3 months ago, when those coin was at 3 or 4 cents. And after that Elon Musk, he tweets out on Twitter, and a skyrocket the Dogecoin all the way to a 10 cent. And after that, those kind of went back down to 6 cents to 5 cent. And finally, I let it tricked out one more time, and that those codes skyrocket all the way to 9%, and went out to 7 cent. And I remember during that time, I tried to buy more of those coin, and because I see the value of those coin, and I see where it headed in the future. And I remember during that time, I purchased $40,000 additional into those yuans. Imagine it's like, I purchased another $40,000 into those coins, kind of like you right now you see that, oh, all this hype is going on. And many people buy into those coins, and you don't want to miss the hour, right? I feel the same thing is happening this time, right? And you purchase into those coins at 7 cent. And right after I purchased that, guess what happened? It's like 4 hours later. And then followed by another day later, those coins dropped out. Who can you really believe from dropped down to 5 cents, and after that it dropped down to 4 cents. I was like, I know, I believed in those coins. But I got be honest, you guy, I say I wish, I just need delay one more day. And I could purchase Dogecoin, because I paid $50,000 during that time to purchase an edition of those coin for 700,000 those coins. If I just wait for one more day, I could have my 1.2 million Dogecoins around $50,000. I could save so much money. And I could make a lot more Doges. Probably you got it right now, feel exactly the same thing, right? You're like, oh, I wish I can wait just a couple more day. And now those coins at a dip, I could buy so much more. And maybe time in the market, it can be a good thing. But here is what I do in a time. You know what I was, but it's okay. I understand because we cannot time the market. Right? And you are not psychic, I am not psychic either. So the next thing, what I do, is I'm very confident during that time. I see that probably in the next few years, Dogecoin can raise to $1, at least, right? And I see the vision of Dogecoin. I invest. Because I could see that Doge could become the global currency. And probably the reason you invest in the same thing, right? So right now, I look back and say, you know what Dogecoin possibly risk to our dollar, then right now I'm buying at 7 cent is a no-brainer. So when Dogecoins go down to 4 cent, guess what I do? I power more. But what now complainant I buy more in for sand. And after that when I've come to 5 cent I dollar cost averaging into a 5 cent as well. And the rest is history. Later on those conspire all the way up to 30-something cents to 40-something cents, before I go back now, to right now at 23 to 24, 25 cent. So here is the key, guy. The moral of the story, I want to tell you this. First of all, maybe right now, you look at the price right now, you see that 24 cents, or 25 cent and may be big for you. It may be a lot for you at this moment. But I can promise you one thing, if those can become the people currency, probably in the next few months, or in the next 6 months to a year, you're going to look back when those can do, and not despite doing a time it's only 7 cents despite all the way to 4 cent. Probably in the next 6 months to a year. If Dogecoins ever spy to $1 or 60 cents, or $1 or something, you're gonna look back, and you're gonna regret. You're like, man, I wish that Dogecoin's going to drop back to 20 to 25 cents, so I can buy in at a dip. You're got to say that, because the time when I buy Dogecoins, 7 cent, and it dropped down to 4 cents, I remember doing that time, my sister, to even talk to me like you say I told you, you should buy the dip. And you know Dogecoins, that's a possibility. It can go bankrupt, they can even go down to 1 cent, or even 2 cent. You could have wait. But guess what happened? I didn't wait, I buy a 7 cent, and I buy a 4 cent, and it's never come down to 2 cent to 2 cents. So the key in here is, guy, maybe you get lucky. Those call might drop down to 10 cent, or even 6 and 7 cent, probably it could be. But the thing is, do you want to take that risk? Right? Do you want to take that risk? Or if you see the vision of Doge going right now is in the future can become the people currency, that it could restore $5 or even $10, then why would you bargain at 20 cent to 25 cent, invest it, just forget about it, right? So the moral of the story I want to let you guys know is this: be confident in your investment, be confident in your vision, and know the naysayer, the people who don't understand the vision, confident in yourself, because I think one of the key that helped me to win and buy and more at a dip, because I confident in my investment. I know about Dogecoin really well, and because of that I ignore the naysayer, I ignore the credit, because I know about this investment more than anyone else, and only you know what's best for you. Don't listen to anyone else. Don't even listen to me. Listen to your instinct, and do what's best for you. I wish you the best, and make your best decision, and always invest like a genius. Please, give us a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Remember to follow us and our Facebook.